This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Powerful processor, beautiful screen, innovative design, mind-blowing camera setup, a Spen. Overall, no doubt, this gonna be one of the fastest and the most powerful smartphones out there. Hi, I'm Femil from fmjtech.com and let's get right into the video. Okay, unboxing. The box looks so simple. Inside it we get the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, some paperwork, a transparent case, SIM ejector tool, AKG Type-C earphone, 25-watt super fast charger, Type-C to Type-C cable, couple of spare S Pen tips. That's all for the box. Galaxy Note 10 Plus is having a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 19:9 aspect ratio. The screen is so beautiful, it's edge to edge. On the top there is a center punch out for the front facing camera. It's actually smaller than what we see on the Galaxy S10. The best about the display is the Quad HD Plus resolution, which makes it very sharp and is HDR10 Plus certified. This makes the color really pop out and is a brightest display. The screen houses a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner like we see on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Look into the camera side. The punch-out front-facing camera is a 10MP camera with f2.2 aperture. On the back we have a quad camera setup. Primary camera is a 12MP camera with variable aperture f1.5 and f2.4. There is a 16MP ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture and 123° angle of view. 12MP telephoto camera with f2.1 aperture, and finally there is a depth vision camera. This camera features AR Doodle, 3D space walkaround, live focusing videos, slow motion videos, super slow motion videos and a lot of features. You can see some of the sample photos taken with Galaxy Note 10 Plus from the link down in the description. Okay, Note 10 Plus is powered by either Snapdragon 855 processor or Exynos 925 depending on the region. And this thing is a powerhouse of 12GB of RAM and either 250GB or 512GB of UFS 3.0 storage, which is much faster compared to the UFS 2.1 which we had previously. Taking a look around, on the top we have a SIM card tray with a space for a microSD card as well. Nothing on the right hand side. On the left side there is a volume rocker and a power button, but no dedicated Bixby button. But we can long press the power button for Bixby actions. On the bottom we have stereo speakers, Type-C port, mic and the amazing S Pen. So before talking about the S Pen, let's say about the battery. Here Note 10 Plus brings a 4300 mAh battery with 25W and 45W fast charging capacity. 25W fast charger is included in the package, but we have to buy the 45W charger separately. It do offer fastest wireless charging of 15W and it has wireless power share that we see on the S10 Plus. So the S Pen. This thing makes the Note series so unique and there is a plenty of features that it offers. Like the air gestures, we can control the camera, scroll screens, convert writings to wordings and so on. I can make separate video about the S Pen features, so do let me know in the comment section if you guys are interested. Galaxy Note 10 Plus runs on Android Pie with the One UI skin. One UI is basically the most beautiful, clean and simple design ever in my opinion. So these are the details about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you wanna read more about this device, simply visit my website fmjtech.com. Also comment your thoughts about this device in the comment section down below. A huge thanks to MBM Communications Samsung Experience Store who provided this phone for review purpose. You can find their more details in the video description down below. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video.